Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to add and edit text in Canva. We'll cover everything from text effects to font styles, colors, resizing, alignment, and more. Stick around for some useful tips and tricks to make your designs look amazing. First things first, let's add some text. To do this, click on the text option in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. You'll see three choices: add a heading, add a subheading, and add a body text. Pick the one that fits your design best. Quick tip: you can also add text instantly by pressing the T key on your keyboard. This shortcut is a real time saver. If you're looking for inspiration, Canva also offers a variety of pre-formatted text templates. These are ready-made designs with fonts and styles already applied. Just click on one and it'll appear on your canvas, ready to customize. Now let's get to editing. When you add text, it's placed in a text box. You can adjust the size of this box by clicking and dragging the corners. This allows you to make the box larger or smaller. There's also a small rotate icon near the box that you can use to tilt your text. You can move the entire text box freely anywhere in your design. To change or write text inside the text box, simply double-click on the box. This will activate the text editor, and you can start typing. You can also edit specific parts of the text, like changing the color or font style of individual words. If you click once on the text box, instead of double-clicking, a menu of extra options will appear. From there, you can duplicate, lock, or even delete the text box. Locking is particularly useful if you want to prevent the text box from being accidentally moved while editing other parts of your design. Want to link your text to a website or page? You can do that too. Just select the text, click the link icon at the top, and paste your URL. Another important feature: Canva allows you to align your text left, center, right, or even justify it. Just click the alignment options in the top toolbar to choose your desired style. This is super handy for keeping your design clean and professional. Let's explore some style options. Canva has amazing text effects, including shadows, neon text, and curved text. Let me demonstrate how to apply the neon text effect. I'll select this text, go to the Effects menu, and click on Neon. Now, I can adjust the glow intensity and choose a color that matches my design. It's such a fun way to make your text stand out. You can also customize the spacing of your text. Canva lets you adjust the line height, the distance between lines of text, and the letter spacing, the space between each character. Both options are available in the top menu. Experiment with these to create a polished, professional look. Before wrapping up, let's talk about alignment and finishing touches. Canva makes it easy to align your text perfectly with built-in guides that appear as you drag elements. Finally, make sure everything looks neat and professional by checking spacing, alignment, and overall balance. Once you're happy with your design, you're all set to save or share it. Canva provides several export options to suit your needs. I hope this tutorial was helpful and gave you some great ideas for your next project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.